Hi everyone, I'm Sona, your English language teacher. And welcome back to Sona's English podcast. Just to be clear, my lessons are recorded with my real voice. No AI narration here. I've studied English language teaching, so you're learning with a trained teacher. Today's lesson is a listen and repeat English practice for beginners based on a short scene at the supermarket. You will listen, imagine, and repeat after me. Follow my rhythm and copy my intonation. Take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and let's begin. Listen first. Do not repeat yet. Just imagine the scene as clearly as you can. You walk into the supermarket. The lights are bright and the space feels big. You grab a shopping basket at the entrance. You hear soft music playing in the background. People are walking slowly, choosing things they need. You look around and take your time. You decide to start in the fruit and vegetable section. The apples look fresh. The oranges look bright and sweet. You pick up an apple and check it. It feels firm and smooth in your hand. Now, you continue walking. You pass the bread shelves. You smell fresh, warm bread. It makes you feel hungry. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I will leave a short pause after each sentence. I walk into the supermarket. Repeat. I grab a shopping basket. Repeat. The lights are bright. The store feels big and calm. I look at the fresh apples. The bread smells warm. I take my time. Great. Let's continue. Listen first. You can't find the rice. You look at the shelves, but it's not there. So you decide to ask a store worker. You walk up to her politely and say, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice?" She smiles and answers, It's in aisle 4 on the left. You thank her and continue walking. This part teaches you a simple and polite question. You can use it anywhere. Repeat after me. Focus on sounding polite and confident. Excuse me. Repeat. Excuse me. Where can I find the rice? Repeat. Where can I find the rice? It's in aisle 4. Repeat. On the left. Thank you. You're welcome. Excellent. Now, listen again. No repeating yet. You put everything on the counter. Your apples, your bread, and a bottle of water. The cashier smiles at you. She says, "Hi, did you find everything okay?" You answer, "Yes, thank you." She scans your items. Beep, beep, beep. The sound is quick and familiar. She tells you the price, and you pay. She hands you the receipt. You thank her and walk out. Now repeat after me. Did you find everything okay? Repeat. Did you find everything okay? Yes, thank you. How much is it? Here you go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Great job today. You practiced beginner English with a real-life supermarket scene. Remember, picture the scene, listen carefully, and repeat with confidence. Daily practice builds fluency. Thank you for learning with me. I'll see you in the next episode.